Hello, in this tutorial I'll show you how to add Flex virtual card to Apple/Google Wallets with Monzo. The first thing I'd like you to do is, of course, to launch your Monzo application, either using the online banking application or your mobile banking application. Now I'd like you to know that if you want to create your account on the online banking app, then you will need to create an account on your mobile banking application. Use your phone to set up your Monzo account, and once you're done, you will now be able to, of course, walk through the process to create your online banking application or create an account using the online banking application. So here's how you can create this online banking account. Launch on the browser of your choice. In the search bar, type monzo.com, and then that's going to take you to the official website for Monzo. Top right corner, you're going to find send a button, click on that, and then follow through the on-screen prompt to create your account. I'd like you to know that only UK residents can create an account on Monzo, so not all of us have that luxury, all right, of creating an account on Monzo. But then we have the knowledge needed or necessary to help you through the process, to help you know every feature that you need to know in Monzo. That's why we're creating this tutorial, to help you know how to add your Monzo Flex card to Apple Wallet and Google Wallet. So here's what you can do. Now you can quickly add your virtual Monzo Flex card to Apple Wallet or Google Wallet using these steps. Number one, from the Monzo app, of course, from the Monzo app, all right, Monzo app one, and then your digital wallet app, which is the online banking. All right, so from the Monzo app, tap the home icon in the menu bar. Now the home icon is usually at the bottom corner of your screen. There are going to be other icons, but you see home. So click on home and then swipe to flex. So swipe the home icon and then you're going to see flex. So once you swipe to flex, you're going to see manage. All right, so tap manage right there from the home icon. All right, so click on manage, and once you click on manage, you're going to see several options, and then one of which is virtual flex card. So once you tap virtual flex card, you're going to see an option to add it to Apple Wallet or Google Wallet. All you need to do is to just follow the steps, which are self-explanatory. Remember the process: home icon, click on that, click manage, click virtual flex card. So once you move it to flex, tap manage, then tap on virtual flex card, and then you see an option to add it to Apple Wallet or Google Wallet. Follow the steps, which are self-explanatory, and you will be good to go. So from your digital wallet app, open your digital wallet app on the compatible Apple or Android device and enter the virtual flex card details. Still using your phone, not even your PC, still using your phone. So it means that all of these things are very much effective using the mobile application. So these are the ways that you can add your Monzo Flex card to Apple Wallet and Google Wallet. Very simple. Follow through the steps and you'll be good to go. I hope this tutorial marvelously helped your search.